Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a page on LinkedIn. You can see my profile here. See, you can see this for business. Just click on for business and here you will be able to see create a page. Okay, you can see create a company page. Click there. Here you need to click if it's showcase page or maybe educational institution, or if it is your company, maybe SMEs or say small, medium or large capital. So you need to select the thing out of these three. You need to select one option. Suppose if it's your small, medium and large business. Okay, I'm just clicking there. Now you just need to select your organization name. See, Scale Up Marketing Solutions is also my page. So if there is already existing page, you won't be able to scale up. You won't be able to use it. Okay, I'm just showing it. You can see this. You can see this public URL is already in use because this is my business page. Now if we make this, then you can see it's working. Okay, it's working. So make sure that your name and your URL is so unique. And you can also make changes on your URL if you want to maybe keep it like this, or maybe solution. I'm just giving some examples. Okay, it is also there, so you can see this. Anything that is so unique, you need to use that name and URL. Okay, here you need to write your company's say website marketing.com. I have already used it. So is it www? No, I've already used it, but still they are taking it. Okay, so for industry, you need to choose the industry. If you do not know which industry would be there, you can just start typing say A. So you can see the list here. Okay, so out of these industries, you can select the right and relevant one. Okay, here you need to put the tagline. Here you can select your logo, click on I verify and then hit create page. Once hitting, it will get created. Okay, so this is how you can create your page on LinkedIn. I hope this video is going to be very much helpful for many of you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Keep on hyping for my videos and drop your thoughts, your comments. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye and take care.